Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Banana Oatmeal Breakfast Muffins. Are you also someone who rushes out in the morning and barely have time for a proper breakfast? Well, I am, and therefore, I like to prepare my breakfast ahead of time to spare me all of the stress. These Banana Oatmeal Breakfast Muffins are very healthy and keeps you full throughout the morning. Let me show you how easy these are to make. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 215 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a muffin pan. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 230 grams of whole wheat flour, 110 grams of brown sugar, 110 grams of rolled oats, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of salt. Mix this until everything is well combined by using a wire whisk or a fork and set this aside. Now I'm just going to mash my 3 medium ripe bananas by using a fork, simply like this. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the 2 eggs and give it a quick mix by using a wire whisk. Now we can go ahead and add the 80 milliliters of vegetable oil, 80 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the mashed bananas. Mix this until everything is well combined. We are now going to form a well in the center of our flour mixture and pour the wet mixture into the well, just like so. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now we can scoop the muffin mixture into the prepared muffin pan by using an ice cream scoop, just like this. I am going to fill them almost all the way up to the brim to get really big muffins. Bake the muffins for about 5 minutes while keeping them in the oven. Then we are going to reduce the temperature to 175 degrees Celsius and continue to bake the muffins for about 16 to 17 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This way, we will get perfect high-domed muffins. So my muffins have done baking. I baked mine for 21 minutes in total. I'm going to let these cool down for 5 minutes in the muffin pan, and then I'm going to transfer them onto a wire rack, allowing them to cool completely. If we let the muffins cool down completely in the muffin pan, then the muffins will continue to cook, which might cause them to dry out. Therefore, I recommend not to skip this step. Take a look at these perfectly baked muffins. These Banana Oatmeal Breakfast Muffins are moist, fluffy, and full of flavor. The best part is that they are healthy and very easy to make. They also make a great treat for your children's lunchbox for school. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!